రికార్డింగ్ అవ్వట్లా ప్రశాంత్ సార్ మీరు ప్రశాంత్ సార్ ఓకే మా now the function completed start అయిందమ్మా థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రశాంత్ సార్ చేశారు నెక్స్ట్ jacobian of u comma v by x comma y equals to delta of dou u by dou x dou u by dou y second row dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. That is a jacobian of two variables. Okay, the denominator variables are the independent variables. The denominator variables are the independent variables. Those are x and y. Suppose we have the function consisting of the three variables are there. Say u of x comma y comma z and the function v of x comma y comma z. Then Jacobian is defined by, what is the formula right now? Dou of u comma v comma w by and w of x comma y comma z. The number of variables equals to the number of functions. The number of variables equals to the number of functions. So dou of u comma v comma w, three functions. How many independent variables? Three independent variables x, y, z. So that is equals to j of u v w by x, y, z. It is clear? So that is equals to, tell me, what is the formula of Jacobian when we have the three functions and three variables? First row completely, first function, that is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Those are the partial derivatives. Next, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. The next, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, and dou w by dou z. Here it is the Jacobian. So write down. That is a function of two variables and this is a function of three variables. Transforms the functions from one to another. So this is a Jacobian. Completed? Completed?
One minute, ma'am.
నేను అదే అడుగుతున్నాను మరి కంప్లీటెడ్ అని 3 times అడిగి ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారా?
మ్యామ్ వెయిట్ అని చెప్పాను కదా మ్యామ్.
ఎవరు చెప్పారు నాన్న వెయిట్ అని? రాయనా ఫార్ములా మళ్ళీ? రాయనా మళ్ళీ ఫార్ములా?
రాయండి మ్యామ్.
రాస్తున్నా, మీరు ఆర్డర్ చేసిన తర్వాత రాయొద్దా?
లేదు మ్యామ్, మీరు రబ్ చేశారు తొందరగా, అందుకే రాయమంటున్నాం.
3 functions, 3 variables. That is 2 functions, 2 variables.
ఇప్పుడు రబ్ చేయండి మ్యామ్.
Next, tell me what is a Jacobian. I'm asking to all, what is a Jacobian? Determinant of the partial derivatives and the partial derivatives of the given function. Okay, function are the dependent. Function consisting of the independent variables, right? U, V, W are the functions. Those functions are dependent functions. X, Y, Z are the variables. Those are the independent variables. Now the Jacobian is defined by the determinant of the partial derivatives of the given function with respect to the variables, independent variables. Is it clear? So this is a Jacobian. Simple ga cheppalante determinant of the partial derivatives. Determinant of the partial derivatives. Is it clear? Clear, all of you?
Yes, madam.
Next, we have the properties are there, 3 properties about the Jacobian. First of all, we have to see the problems. Then after I will give the proofs of the properties. It is clear? Now the first problem, write down, very important compulsory question. First problem, if U equals to YZ by X, YZ by X, V equals to ZX by Y, and W equals to XY by Z. XY by Z. Show that dou of U comma V comma W by dou of X comma Y comma Z equals to 4. That is equals to 4. Clear? Okay, ma? That is the problem. When we have the problem with the functions and the variables combination is there, that is completely Jacobian. Already there the formula is there. What is the formula here? Dou of U comma V comma W by dou of X comma Y comma Z. Is it clear? So that we need to find, or also we need to show the Jacobian is equals to 4 of the given 3 functions U, V, W. It is clear? Now, here the functions are 3 functions we have. U equals to, నేను V ఇలా రాస్తాను, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, U ఇలా రాస్తాను, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. This is U and this is a V. U equals to YZ by X and V equals to ZX by Y and W equals to XY by Z. Okay, first of all, what is the formula of the given Jacobian when we have the 3 functions are there? Then what is the formula? I'm going to write by the definition of Jacobian. By the definition of Jacobian. So, dou of U comma V comma W by dou of X comma Y comma Z, that is equals to, here dou U by dou X, dou U by dou Y, dou U by dou Z. First row completely first function. Second row completely second function. Is it right? Next, third function dou W by dou X, dou W by dou Y, dou W by dou Z. Clear? Say this is equation number 1. Now, I'm going to take, this is a and this is a B equation and this is a C equation. We have the 3 functions are there and denoted with first one A, B and C. Here see, Jacobian having the partial derivatives, and in the partial derivatives what we have completely, the first function partially differentiating with respect to the X, Y and Z. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to take the first function here. So u equals to, consider, I'm going to take the first one, u equals to yz by x. Partially differentiating with respect to x. First of all, I'm doing differentiation. Okay, so that is dou u by dou x, which is not a constant. U is a function of x, y, z. So further, dou u by dou x. Again, when we are differentiating with respect to the x, yz be the constant, yz be the 1 by x. Now it is clear. So dou by dou x of 1 by x we have to differentiating. Then dou u by dou x, so that is equals to what we get now here. Listen. So yz is a constant completed. 1 by x differentiating is minus 1 by x square. Is it clear? Then dou u by dou x completed. Right? Again same function I am going to take, u equals to yz by x. Again partially differentiating with respect to y. Okay, now because of the second partial derivative. Now dou u by dou y, that is equals to, when we are differentiating with respect to the y, z and x be the constant, z by x taken outside, dou by dou y of y here. Then dou u by dou y, that is equals to z by x into dou by dou y of y is the 1. So this one completed. And last, same function u equals to yz by x, partially differentiating with respect to z. The third variable is the z. It is clear? Now partially differentiating, then dou u by dou z. So that is equals to, when we are differentiating with respect to the z, then y and x completely the constant taken outside, dou by dou z of z, then y by x into dou by dou z of z is the 1. Here dou u by dou z is what? Y by x. This one clear? These three are the first row completed here. With respect to the x, with respect to the y, and with respect to the z completed. It is clear? Any doubts? Shall we go for the next row?
With respect to x1.
Are you following or are you sleeping? Hello? Next row ki vellala odda?
వెళ్ళండి మేడం.
Next. What is the next one here? V. What is the V function here? V equals to zx by y. Partially differentiating with respect to x first of all. So dou v by dou x equals to dou by dou x of zx by y. Completely we are differentiating with respect to the x. Zy are constant, z by y into dou by dou x of x is 1, then dou v by dou x equals to z by y. It is clear? Same function I am going to take, v equals to zx by y, partially differentiating with respect to y. It is clear? Then dou v by dou y, that is equals to, with respect to the y, zx be the constants taken outside, dou by dou y of 1 by y. What is 1 by y differentiating more? Tell me. 1 by y differentiating.
minus 1 by square.
Zx into minus 1 by y square. So dou v by dou y, that is equals to minus zx by y square. So this one completed, and also v equals to zx by y partially differentiating with respect to z, the last variable, to the second function. Then dou v by dou z equals to, and completely we are differentiating with respect to the z, x by y be the constants. Then dou by dou z of z is the 1. Then dou v by dou z, that is equals to here x by y. First function and the second function with respect to the x, y, z completed. It is clear? Now we go for the third function. Is it clear? I'm going to rub this part, ma. Shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
And class w equals to xy by z. Partially differentiating with respect to x first of all. Then dou w by dou x, that is equals to, and with respect to the x, y by z is the constant, dou by dou x of x. It is clear? Now dou w by dou x, that is equals to y by z. This one completed, ma. The next to go for the next one. What is the next here? With respect to the y, partially differentiating with respect to y, then dou w by dou y, that is equals to, with respect to the y, x by z is a constant taken outside, dou by dou y of y. It is clear? Then dou w by dou y equals to x by z. Now, and the last one, partially differentiating with respect to z. To which function? W equals to xy by z. It is clear? Then dou w by dou z equals to, dou w by dou z equals to what? Z is a variable, xy be the constant taken outside, dou by dou z of 1 by z. So that is xy into minus 1 by z square is the derivative of 1 by z. Now all the partial derivatives with respect to the x, y, z, respectively first row, second row and the third row completed, ma. Okay. Now we are going to substitute all the derivatives in equation number 1. Okay. Put all the above derivatives in equation number 1. So 1 is implies that the Jacobian equals to dou u by dou x. What is dou u by dou x? Minus yz by x square. Dou u by dou y, z by x. Dou u by dou z. So that is y by x. This one only now, first row. Is it clear? Then the second function, that is completely second row. V function with respect to the x, z by y with respect to the y, minus zx by y square with respect to the z, x by y. Is it clear, ma? Then go for the third row, y by z and x by z and minus xy by z square. Completed? So that is a Jacobian. Now we need to show that determinant value is the 4. Completed that one? Hello, up to here any doubts more so far? Hello?
టేబుల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం అండి.
Table. ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి? జెకోబియన్. డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్. ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వచ్చింది నీకు? ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ రో చూడండి, y by z, y by z, x by z, x by z. dou w by dou z minus xy by z square. Substitute చేశాను ఫార్ములాలో.
Okay, madam.
Okay, next simplify. What is the formula? This is a 3 by 3 determinant. 3 by 3 determinant. Then minus yz by x square. Minus yz by x square into, and corresponding column row just remove. Then AD minus BC. Minus into minus plus x square yz by y square z square. X square yz by y square z square minus x square by yz. So here only na, minus into minus plus x square yz by y square z square minus x square by yz. It is clear? Next, the second one, minus z by x into, corresponding column, corresponding row eliminate, then remaining z by y into xy by z square. Then what we get here? Minus xyz by yz square. That is minus xyz by yz square. Is it clear? Next, minus here xy by yz. Then go for the last one, plus y by x. Here this is the y by x into zx by yz. What ma? Zx by yz minus into minus plus xyz by zy square. Y square z. So just verify that one only now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Okay. Next, any cancellation? Here y completed, get cancelled, z that one also cancelled. Here y cancel, z cancel, y cancel, here y cancel, y cancel, z cancel. Then again multiply each and every term in the given brackets. Minus yz x square by x square yz. Minus x square yz by x square yz. It is clear? Minus into minus plus x square yz by x square yz. Okay, completed the first one. Minus into minus plus again xz by xz. Okay, xz by, okay ma, xz by xz. Okay, next, minus into minus plus again zx by xz again. Okay, next, plus xy by xz plus xy by xy.
మేడం ఇక్కడ రాంగ్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేశారు మేడం.
ఇక్కడ
జెడ్ బదులు వై క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ లో మనకి.
See, minus x square yz minus x square yz get cancelled. Here we have the minus 1 is there, minus 1. X square yz get cancelled, plus 1. Here xz cancel, plus 1. Zx cancel, plus 1. Xy cancel, plus 1. Xy cancel, plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then the Jacobian of u comma v comma w by x comma y comma z, that is equals to 4. Hence proved. Right? Okay. Doubts? Make it fast. Completed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Next problem, important problem. This is a previous question. If u equals to x square minus 2y, x square minus 2y, and v equals to x plus y plus z, and w equals to x minus 2y plus 3z, then prove that u equals to x square minus 2y and v equals to x plus y plus z, w equals to x minus 2y plus 3z, right? Then prove that the Jacobian of these functions is 10x plus 4. The Jacobian of u, v and w is 10x plus 4. This is the 4. Okay. Anyway, the method name is mentioned Jacobian. Just concentration on the partial derivatives. Okay. Then how many functions are there we have first of all? How many functions? How many functions, ma?
3 functions.
3.
3 functions with respect to the 3 variables x, y, z. 1, 2, 3. 3 functions, 3 variables. We can use the determinant of 3 by 3. The previous formula same as it is. Right? Now, first of all, we need to find the partial derivatives. Right? I'm going to take the first function here. Consider u equals to x square minus 2y. Then partially differentiating with respect to x. Then what we get here, dou u by dou x, that is equals to x square differentiating is a 2x with respect to the x. Here 2 is a constant, y be the constant. Then 2y differentiating with respect to the x, that is a 0. Then dou u by dou x equals to 0. It is clear? Any doubts? Next, partially differentiating with respect to y, to this equation only, to equation number 1. Then dou u by dou y, that is equals to dou by dou y of x square minus 2y. It is clear? With respect to the y, x square differentiating is a 0 minus 2 is a constant taken outside. Y differentiating with respect to the y is 1. So dou u by dou y equals to minus 2. This is a 2 into 1. It is clear? And yes.
Ma'am, dou u by dou x is equal to 2. 2x, ma'am. Dou u by dou x is equal to 2x.
Here 2x. Very good. And again, partially differentiating with respect to z to equation number 1. Is it clear? Then dou u by dou z, that is equals to dou by dou z of x square minus 2y. Here see, x square differentiating with respect to the z, 0, minus 2y differentiating with respect to z, that is a 0. Then dou u by dou z, that is equals to 0. Completed? Here 2x minus 2 and this is a 0. Completed. I'm going to the second equation. So that is what here v function, v equals to x plus y plus z. Say this is equation number 2. Now partially differentiating with respect to x first of all, then dou v by dou x, that is equals to dou by dou x of x plus y plus z. Clear? Then x differentiating with respect to the x1 plus y differentiating 0 plus z differentiating 0. Then dou v by dou x equals to 1. Is it any doubts more in this? Next, partially differentiating with respect to y to equation number 2, same as it is. Then dou v by dou y, again dou by dou y of x plus y plus z. So that is equals to what? X differentiating with respect to the y, 0, plus y differentiating with respect to the y, 1, plus z differentiating with respect to the y, 0. Then dou v by dou y equals to 1. Is it clear? And the last, finally, for the second function, partially differentiating with respect to z to equation number 2. Is it clear? Then dou v by dou w, that is equals to dou by dou w of x plus y plus z. Sorry, with respect to z. Is it clear? So that is x differentiating with respect to z, 0, y differentiating with respect to z, 0, z differentiating with respect to z, 1. So dou v by dou z equals to 1. First function, second function. Is it clear? And finally, take the third function, w equals to x minus 2y plus 3z. Okay, then say this is equation number 3, partially differentiating with respect to x, first of all. Then dou w by dou x, that is equals to dou by dou x of x minus 2y plus 3z. So what we get here, x differentiating with respect to x1 minus 2y differentiating 0, 3z differentiating 0. Then dou double by dou x equals to 1. వింటున్నారా పడుకుంటున్నారా? Hello?
Listening, ma'am.
Listening, ma'am.
Next, partially differentiating with respect to y. Dou w by dou y equals to dou by dou y of x minus 2y plus 3z. Is it clear? Tell me dou w by dou y. మీరు చెప్తే రాస్తాను.
-2.
What?
-2.
-2.
X differentiating 0, minus 2y differentiating is minus 2, plus 3z 0. Then dou w by dou y equals to minus 2. So girls నుంచి ఒకరు, బాయ్స్ నుంచి ఒకరు క్లాస్ వింటున్నారు, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ బబ్బున్నారు. Then partial differentiating with respect to z. So dou w by dou z, that is equals to dou by dou z of x minus 2y plus 3z. Tell me, x differentiating 0, y differentiating 0, plus 3z differentiating is the 3. Then dou w by dou z equals to 3. All the partial derivatives completed. Clear? Next ఏం చేద్దాం?
Substitute in equation.
Those partial derivatives substitute in the Jacobian, right? First take a pick, all of you.
Ma'am, direct can't be right, ma'am.
What?
While solving direct.
Direct?
Yes, ma'am.
అర్థం కాలేదమ్మా, ఏమంటున్నావు?
What are you saying, ma'am?
What did you say, Roy, right now? What are you telling?
Ma'am, ma'am, separately we are partial differentiating now. Then at once partial differentiating with respect to x, y, z respectively and answer. That can't be done.
Oh, in only one step you are done total partial differentiating with respect to x, y, z, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But this is a long question.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Compulsory, we have to done separately, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, shall I go into the? Shall I rub?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And tell me the partial
Yes, ma'am.
derivatives, right? నేను రబ్ చేస్తాను,
Okay,
నాకు
ma'am.
పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ చెప్పాలి. రబ్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ఏమో నాకు
ma'am.
మీ మీద డౌటే అమ్మా. 2x minus 2 0. And next 1 1 1. Next 1 minus 2 3. Next, substitute all the derivatives in the Jacobian. Put all derivatives in Jacobian. For how many variables? 3 variables. We have from the given statement, given question only, we are getting the Jacobian formula is 3 variables, right? Jacobian of u v w by x y z. So that is equals to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, right? Then go for the second, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, right? Next, dou w by dou x, respectively with respect to y and z, completed. Now substitute here, already we completed the derivatives. Dou u by dou x is 2x and dou u by dou y minus 2, 0. Then the second row, completely 1, third row, 1 minus 2, 3. Again, which is the 3 by 3 determinant. Okay. Now find out the 3 by 3 determinant matrix. So that is equals to 2x into first 3 plus 2. Plus into plus, minus into minus plus here, 2 into 3 minus 1. Again, this one is a 0 completely, that is 0. Here 5 into 2, 10x plus 3 minus 2, 2 into 2, 4. So hence that one only now we can prove the Jacobian equals to 10x plus 4. Hence proved. Clear? Tomorrow we will discuss the next problems and the properties of Jacobian, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
write down. I will give the homework. These 3 are the very important, ma. 2 problems completed. Yes, these 2 problems are previous problems. I will give in the mid examination also. Compulsory. First 2 problems. Is ma completed?
Yes, ma'am.
322 only, na. Next problem, write down. Third one. In this session, the third problem is the last one. This is the last problem. And find the Jacobian. Find Jacobian for x equals to u into 1 plus v and y equals to v into 1 plus u. Find Jacobian for x equals to u into 1 plus v and y equals to v into 1 plus u. Any guess? What is the formula of Jacobian for the given problem? No guess? Tell me the formula. Yes? ఏంటమ్మా
వీడియో స్టక్ అయింది.
వీడియో స్ట్రక్ అయిందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
అయ్యో Tell me, what is the formula for the given? Formula for
y upon
actually, yes, actually the previous problems completely u and v are the functions, x and y are the variables. But in this problem they mentioned x and y are the functions, u and v are the variables. Here x and y are functions of independent variables. Here, what about the variables? U and v. It is clear? Then, dou of what are the functions? First, we can write the functions in the numerator. Functions are x, y here. And what about the independent variables? U, comma, v are the variables, right? Now, what is the formula? Dou x by dou u. Dou x by dou v. First row completely first function completed. Then next dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. It is clear all of you? Any doubts?
No ma'am.
Okay, then again find out the partial derivatives. First x equals to u into 1 plus v, then partially differentiating with respect to first what, which variable? First we have u variable with respect to u. Dou x by dou u with respect to the u. 1 plus v completely constant. 1 plus v is a constant. U differentiating is the 1. Completed. Then partially differentiating with respect to v. Then here dou x by dou v, that is equals to u is a constant taken outside. 1 differentiating 0. V differentiating is the 1. Dou x by dou v, that is equals to u only. It is clear? Then go for the second function. What is the second function? Y equals to v into 1 plus u. Partially differentiating with respect to first u function. Dou y by dou u. It is clear with respect to the u. Now 1 plus u differentiating variable ma. Here independent variable. Then v be the constant. 1 plus u differentiating with respect to the u is what? 1. And it is the 1 differentiating is the 0, u differentiating is the 1. Dou y by dou u equals to v only. Again partial differentiating with respect to v. It is clear? Then dou y by dou v, that is equals to, here we are differentiating with respect to the v. 1 plus u is the constant, v differentiating is the 1. Then dou y by dou v equals to 1 plus u. Okay? Completed. All the partial derivatives done, and substitute all the above. Put all the above derivatives in equation number 1. Then 1 is implies that I'm going to write directly ma. So write down here Jacobian equals to dou x by dou u. The first one is 1 plus v. Dou x by dou v, that is u. Next v function v and 1 plus u. Then again AD minus BC directly. This is 1 plus v and this is 1 plus u. 1 plus v into 1 plus u minus uv. So that is equals to 1 plus u plus v plus uv minus uv get cancelled. Then the Jacobian equals to 1 plus u plus v. So this is the problem. Clear? Any doubts more?
No, ma'am.
Amrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, shall I close?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, all of you. Starting off, Jen. Please leave from the class, all of you. Take care, bye.
So we have the identities of beta function.